English with Friends TV series edition. Let's go. What's up? What's up? Hey Joy, what's up? Hey Joy, what's up? No way, no way, no way, you actually did that? No way, you actually did that? Come on, come on, oh, come on, don't be so dramatic. Oh, come on, don't be so dramatic. Seriously? 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 You forgot again? Seriously? You forgot again? You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me, Rose. You gotta be kidding me, Rose. Hang out, hang out. Let's hang out at Central Park later. Let's hang out at Central Park later. Break up, break up. Rose and Rachel broke up again. Rose and Rachel broke up again. Get back together. Get back together. Do you think they'll get back together? Do you think they'll get back together? Move in, move in. Chandler finally moved in with Monica. Chandler finally moved in with Monica. Roommates, roommates. Joy is the funniest roommate ever. Joy is the funniest roommate ever. Go out with, go out with. Rachel went out with a new guy. Rachel went out with a new guy. Turn out, turn out. It turned out he was her ex-boyfriend. It turned out he was her ex-boyfriend. Freak out, freak out. Phoebe freaked out when she saw the mouse. Phoebe freaked out when she saw the mouse. Catch up, catch up. Let's catch up over coffee tomorrow. Let's catch up over coffee tomorrow. Hit on someone, hit on someone. Joy always hits on girls at the cafe. Joy always hits on girls at the cafe. Make fun of. They always make fun of Challenger's jokes. They always make fun of Challenger's jokes. Come over. You can come over to my place after work. You can come over to my place after work. Show up. He didn't show up for the dinner. He didn't show up for the dinner. Messed up. I totally messed up my date last night. I totally messed up my date last night. Chill. Let's just chill and watch some TV. Let's just chill and watch some TV. Totally. That was totally amazing. That was totally amazing. Awesome. You did an awesome job, Joy. You did an awesome job, Joy. Whatever. Yeah, whatever you say, Rose. Yeah, whatever you say, Rose. Exactly. Exactly, that's what I was trying to say. Exactly, that's what I was trying to say. Guess what? I got the job. Guess what? I got the job. I can't believe it. They're married. I can't believe it. They're married. Come to think of it. I've seen that before. Come to think of it. I've seen that before. Long story short. It didn't work out. Long story short, it didn't work out. I told you so, but you didn't listen. I told you so, but you didn't listen. You're the best. Thanks, Monica. You're the best. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.